Hi guys, it's Matilda here. I am at Mixology's flagship venue, TT Liquor in Shoreditch. Today we're going to show you how to make a Pineapple Picante Smash. It's a new drink on the menu at our cocktail making classes. Tequila's finally back on the menu, and this spicy rendition of a smash is much more than your average tequila drink. The ingredients are in the description below, and here's Kay to show you how to make it.
Alright guys, it's Kay back here at TT Liquor. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Pineapple Picante Smash. Now this is a built cocktail, so I'm going to be making it in the same cup I serve it in, which is going to be this little julep tin. Now first things I need to go into this julep tin are going to be some fresh fruits, some solid ingredients. First up, I've got some pineapple chunks here that I've pre-cut. Now if you're making this at home, you could absolutely just use tinned pineapple as well. I'd say I want maybe 4 or 5 of these pineapple chunks. Right, next thing I'm going to put in here is going to be the picante part of our Pineapple Picante Smash, which is going to be some chili. I'm just going to roll this between my hands to loosen up the seeds. I'll cut the top off and give it a little shake to get rid of those. There we go. And I don't want this too spicy, so I'm just going to do a couple of little slices of chili. The final fresh solid ingredient to go in here is going to be some lime, and pop one of those in there. I'm going to grab my muddler and use that to give them all a good squish. I'll get it right in there, break that chili up a little bit and get it mixed with those other ingredients. Now the booze in our Pineapple Picante Smash is going to be some tequila. We got this really nice El Jimador Reposado tequila. We want 50 mils of our tequila, or a double shot. So I'm going to fill my measure all the way up to the rim and pour it in there. Beautiful. Next thing, to add a little bit of extra pineapple flavor to our Pineapple Picante Smash, we got some pineapple juice. And I want the same amount as I had of tequila, which was 50 mils. Perfect. Now the final liquid ingredient to go in here, just to give this a little bit of sweetness. We don't need a huge amount. We've got some sweetness from the pineapple already. So I'm just going to use about 20 mils of my simple syrup. There we go. I'm going to fill this cup not quite to the top with crushed ice to start with, just to leave myself a bit of room to stir it. I'm going to take my bar spoon, cover the top of this with my hand and give it a good old churn to get all those ingredients mixed together. Now to finish it off, I'm going to give it a crown of crushed ice. So I'm going to take a nice big scoop of crushed ice and pile it on top of the drink and just use my hand to form that into a dome. For a garnish, I've got myself a nice pineapple leaf that I'm going to pop in there. And because this is in this cold metal tin, which isn't going to be the most comfortable thing to hold when we drink this, I'm going to make it a little bit more pleasant by giving him a little jacket. I'm going to take one of my bar napkins, just fold it in half along the diagonal to make a triangle, and then I'll take each of these 2 outer corners and dip them in a little bit of water so that the wet corners just stick to the outside of the cold metal tin. And that is our Pineapple Picante Smash ready to drink.